Look, not everyone wants to know the entire situation, the entire business model. I need to find out who is really interested in what I am or may not be offering. Is it an easy side hustle? Yes. Can you make money? Not doing anything? Yes. Can you make lots of money by putting a little bit of effort and sharing about it? Yes. I will show you everything about it, but I need to know if you are really interested. I do not want to waste my time or your time. So, if you are really interested in what I am doing and want to take a look and really invest a bit of your time into seeing, leave a comment. I am willing to see and I will send you the next step. But if you are not going to look and you are going to ghost me, do not comment.